Welcome to a journey through time and space where the mysteries of our past meet the enigmatic possibilities of parallel universes. Today, we're delving into 10 astounding archaeological discoveries that defy conventional explanation and might just hint at the existence of alternate realities. From ancient technologies to inexplicable artifacts, these finds challenge our understanding of history and open up thrilling prospects. So, let's embark on this fascinating exploration together. Before we dive into our archaeological mysteries, let's briefly understand what we mean by parallel universes. In science fiction and theoretical physics, parallel universes, or alternate realities, are hypothetical, self-contained realms coexisting with our own. Imagine a multiverse, where every possible outcome of every event generates a new diverging reality. Sounds like something out of a movie, right? But it's not just fantasy. Some scientific theories, like the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, suggest that these alternate dimensions could be real. While this concept is still in the realm of theory, it sparks our imagination about the unknown aspects of our world. How does this tie into archaeology? As we explore our 10 enigmatic finds, we'll entertain the idea that some of these artifacts and structures could be evidence of contact with these parallel universes. Could they be remnants from a different reality? Or perhaps evidence of advanced knowledge that seems out of place in our historical timeline? Keep these questions in mind as we uncover each mystery. First on our list is the Antikythera Mechanism, discovered in a shipwreck off the Greek island of Antikythera. This ancient Greek device, dated around 100 BC, is nothing less than an astronomical calculator. Its complex system of gears and dials predicts lunar and solar eclipses, tracks the cycles of the solar system, and even marks the dates of the Olympic Games. The sophistication of this first analog computer is millennia ahead of its time. Could this be evidence of knowledge from a parallel universe where technology advanced much faster? Or maybe it's a lost piece of technology from an advanced ancient civilization? The Antikythera Mechanism remains a tantalizing puzzle. Next is the Baghdad Battery. This artifact, found in the vicinity of Baghdad, Iraq, dates back to the Parthian or Sasanian periods. It's a simple clay jar containing a copper cylinder and an iron rod, which some suggest could have been used to generate a low-voltage electrical current. If true, this means that the ancients knew about electricity long before it was discovered in modern times. Could it be a misplaced item from a universe where electricity was harnessed earlier? Or perhaps evidence of an early unrecognized inventor? The Baghdad Battery fuels debates among both archaeologists and enthusiasts of the paranormal. Then we have the Nazca Lines in Peru. These are enormous geoglyphs carved into the ground, visible fully only from high above. Created by the Nazca culture between 500 BC and 500 AD, their purpose remains unknown. Theories range from astronomical tools to messages for deities, but their scale and precision stir speculations. Were they guides or signals for visitors from another universe? Or perhaps an artistic expression viewed by beings from a parallel world? The enigma of the Nazca Lines continues to mystify and inspire. Moving on, fourth on our list is Göbekli Tepe in Turkey, an archaeological marvel predating Stonehenge by over 6,000 years. This massive complex of intricately carved stones and towering pillars baffles historians and archaeologists alike. Dating back to the 10th millennium BC, Göbekli Tepe is a testament to an advanced civilization that existed thousands of years before the dawn of recorded history. The sophistication of Göbekli Tepe challenges traditional views of the development of civilization. The complex is thought to have been built by hunter-gatherers, predating the invention of agriculture and pottery. Yet the site exhibits complex architectural techniques and artistic expressions that suggest a far more advanced society than we initially believed. The origin of Göbekli Tepe is shrouded in mystery. Some propose that it could be a vestige of a parallel universe, a place where civilization developed at a different pace, or perhaps a forgotten epoch of human history. Could it be possible that our ancestors had contact with beings from another universe who guided them in constructing this magnificent site? As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Göbekli Tepe, we are left with more questions than answers. Could Göbekli Tepe be a testament to a sophistication we never imagined existed so early? The enigma of Göbekli Tepe, like the Nazca Lines, continues to mystify and inspire, challenging our perception of history and the universe. As we journey further into the realm of mysteries, next up is the Voynich manuscript, an enigma that has defied decryption for centuries. Named after its discoverer, Wilfrid Voynich, this 15th century text is filled with unknown symbols and peculiar illustrations, a language yet to be cracked. Its pages are adorned with botanical, astronomical, and biological drawings, none of which correspond to known species or celestial bodies. It's as if the manuscript is a window into an entirely different reality. The origin and content of the Voynich manuscript remain shrouded in mystery. Despite numerous attempts, no one has been able to decipher the text. Some theorize it could be a compendium of knowledge from an advanced civilization, possibly from another universe. Others suggest it might be an elaborate hoax, a theory that would make it one of the most sophisticated pranks in history. But what if the Voynich manuscript is indeed a genuine message or knowledge from a parallel universe? Could it be an artifact like Göbekli Tepe, bearing evidence of a civilization far more advanced than we ever imagined? Or could it be a message from an extraterrestrial species attempting to communicate with us through this cryptic text? The Voynich manuscript, much like the Nazca Lines and Göbekli Tepe, continues to challenge our understanding of the universe and human history, leaving us with more questions than answers. What secrets might it hold? The quest to decipher the Voynich manuscript continues, a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge and understanding. As we continue our exploration of enigmatic artifacts, let's turn our attention to the Saqqara bird, a fascinating find from the ancient lands of Egypt. This artifact, discovered in the Saqqara necropolis, dates back to around 200 BC. At first glance, it resembles a bird, but on closer inspection, its design is quite unique. Its vertical tail is unlike any bird we know of today, and its wings seem to follow specific aerodynamic principles. They're flat and straight, a design that modern aviation recognizes as conducive to flight. This has led many to theorize about the Saqqara bird's significance. Could it be a model of an ancient aircraft, suggesting that our ancestors had knowledge of aerodynamics long before the Wright brothers, or is it a testament to their ingenuity and creativity, a dream of flight centuries before it became a reality? Some even suggest that the Saqqara bird could be evidence of contact with a parallel universe where flight was discovered earlier. While this theory is far-fetched, it's fascinating to imagine the possibilities. Much like the Voynich manuscript, the Saqqara bird challenges our understanding of human history. It's an artifact that continues to soar in the realm of mysteries, leaving us to wonder about the knowledge and imagination of our ancestors. Could they have been visionaries, dreaming of a future where humans could fly? Or did they have help from an advanced civilization, possibly from another universe? As with many of our historical enigmas, the truth remains elusive. But one thing is certain: the Saqqara bird continues to captivate us, a testament to the enduring appeal of ancient mysteries. From the soaring mysteries of the Saqqara bird, our journey takes us to the lush jungles of Costa Rica, where a different kind of enigma awaits. Here, hidden amongst the verdant foliage, lie hundreds of almost perfectly round stone spheres, dating as far back as 600 AD. These intriguing artifacts, known as the stone spheres of Costa Rica, are as baffling as they are beautiful. Ranging in size from a few centimeters to over 2 meters in diameter, these stone spheres are almost perfect in their roundness, a feat that leaves scientists and historians scratching their heads. How were these primitive societies capable of creating such geometric precision without the tools and knowledge we associate with such craftsmanship? And perhaps more intriguingly, why did they create these spheres in the first place? Many theories have been proposed, from the spheres being status symbols of ancient societies to them being used in religious rituals. Some even speculate that these spheres could have been used as a sort of geographical mapping system, or to align with celestial bodies, pointing to a more advanced understanding of the world than previously thought. And as with many of the enigmas we've discussed in this series, some theories venture into the realm of the extraordinary. Could these stone spheres be markers left by visitors from a parallel universe? As outlandish as it may sound, the existence of these spheres challenges our understanding of human capabilities in the past, leaving the door wide open for fascinating speculation. As we delve deeper into these ancient mysteries, we must remember that our understanding of the world is constantly evolving. What seems impossible today may be explained tomorrow. And while we may never fully understand the purpose and creation of these stone spheres of Costa Rica, their existence serves as a reminder of the rich tapestry of human history and the enduring allure of the unknown. From the enigmatic spheres of Costa Rica, we traverse to the remote mountains of China, where another perplexing puzzle awaits us. Concealed within the secluded caves of the Bayan Kara Ula Mountains, we encounter the mystifying Dropa stones. These stone discs, reportedly dating back an astonishing 12,000 years, are said to contain tiny hieroglyphs etched into their surface. The symbols, when deciphered, tell an astonishing tale of beings from a place not of our world, perhaps even from a parallel universe. The story speaks of a spacecraft that crash-landed in the mountains bearing the Dropa people, small, frail beings who struggled to adapt to Earth's atmosphere. But as with many of these ancient enigmas, the Dropa stones are shrouded in controversy. Their authenticity and the interpretation of their hieroglyphs have been hotly debated among scholars and enthusiasts alike. Some dismiss the stones as an elaborate hoax, while others fervently believe in their extraterrestrial origins. If authentic, the Dropa stones could suggest early contact with otherworldly civilizations or even parallel realities, vastly expanding our understanding of human history. Their existence, whether genuine or fabricated, adds another layer of intrigue to our exploration of ancient enigmas. As we delve into these mysteries, we are reminded of the vastness of the unknown and the endless possibilities that history holds. The Dropa stones, like the other enigmas we've explored, urge us to question our understanding of the past and to keep an open mind to the unimaginable. As we journey forth from the alien hieroglyphs of the Dropa stones, we find ourselves in the realm of ancient cartography. Our ninth wonder is the Piri Reis map, a world map created in 1513 by the Ottoman admiral and cartographer Piri Reis. This relic, currently housed in the Topkapi Palace in Istanbul, is a startling testament to the cartographic proficiency of the time. Crafted from a patchwork of 20 different maps, this enigmatic document is famed for its representation of the Antarctic coast, a region yet to be discovered in the 16th century. The accuracy of this depiction, complete with its correct relative longitudes and latitudes, raises questions about the sources of Piri Reis's knowledge. Could it be that he had access to maps from a parallel universe, where exploration and map-making were far more advanced? The Piri Reis map, much like the other enigmas we've delved into, challenges our understanding of history. It posits the existence of a previously unknown advanced civilization with superior mapping capabilities. Or is it possible that these maps were handed down from visitors of a parallel universe who had explored Earth long before we did? As we ponder on these questions, we are reminded once more of the vastness of the unknown and the intriguing possibilities that history presents. The Piri Reis map, with its enigmatic origins and baffling accuracy, urges us to question, explore, and marvel at the mysteries of our past. As we step away from the cartographical mysteries of the Piri Reis map, we enter the realm of the crystal skulls. These mesmerizing life-sized carvings, hewn from single blocks of quartz crystal, have been a source of fascination and controversy for centuries. Originating from various locations in Central and South America, these skulls are claimed to be pre-Columbian Mesoamerican artifacts. Yet their true origins are hotly debated. Some propose that these skulls were crafted far beyond the technological capabilities of the ancient civilizations of the region, suggesting the influence of a parallel universe with advanced crystal carving techniques. Could it be that these intricate carvings are not the handiwork of our ancestors, but a gift from a world far more advanced than ours? Others theorize that they hold mystical properties or contain records from lost civilizations, acting as crystal balls into the past. While many consider them to be more modern creations, the allure and mystery of the crystal skulls persist. Like the other enigmas we've explored, the crystal skulls push us to question, to delve deeper into the mysteries of our past. They invite us to entertain the possibility of parallel universes of civilizations far advanced than ours. As we conclude our journey through archaeological enigmas, possibly linked to parallel universes, we find ourselves standing before the crystal skulls, a fitting conclusion to our list, and a poignant reminder of the mysteries that we are yet to unravel. As we conclude our exploration of these 10 remarkable archaeological finds, it's clear that our world, or potentially worlds, holds more mysteries than certainties. Each artifact, from the sophisticated Antikythera Mechanism to the mesmerizing crystal skulls, has offered us a window into the vast enigmas of our past and the fascinating possibilities of parallel universes. Whether these artifacts are evidence of contact with parallel universes, remnants of lost civilizations, or simply misunderstood relics of our past, they continue to challenge our perceptions and fuel our imagination. The Antikythera Mechanism, with its advanced clockwork mechanism, the Nazca Lines with their inexplicable aerial perspective, or the Voynich Manuscript with its indecipherable language, each of these enigmas invites us to consider the potential of advanced knowledge far beyond our current understanding. The possibility of alternate realities and advanced ancient knowledge invites us to keep an open mind and continue our quest for understanding. As we stand before the crystal skulls, we are reminded of the mysteries that we are yet to unravel. These enigmas, these tantalizing pieces of the puzzle, they compel us to question, to explore, to seek answers in the unlikeliest of places, and to always keep our minds open to the infinite possibilities of the universe. Thank you for joining me on this intriguing journey through the mysteries of archaeology and the wonders of potential parallel universes. Remember, as we step away from these enigmas and into our everyday lives, the true joy of discovery lies not in the answers, but in the questions. Stay curious and keep exploring the unknown.